Farmerline, a leading agri-tech company, is committed to creating lasting profits for farmers everywhere. Through innovative solutions and partnerships, Farmerline is empowering farmers to thrive. The Indigenous Crops for Resilient African Food Systems Project, a collaborative initiative with the Baltic International Center for Economic Policy Studies, the Latvian Permaculture Society, and the Savannah Agricultural Research Institute, is a testament to this commitment.
So I have been impressed that you have come and Farmerline is talking about some of these crops that our fathers and our grandfathers used to farm, which are getting so extinct now.
Funded by the Latvian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Indigenous Crops for Resilient African Food Systems Project is leveraging traditional Latvian seed saving and crop diversification practices to address critical challenges in food security and climate resilience among smallholder farmers in Ghana.
They are drought resistant, and from our experience of just this past farming season, we see how drought affected our farms, and as a result many people lost their crops. So if for nothing at all, the fact that these crops, indigenous crops, are drought resistant, that alone calls for its cultivation, so that when other things fail us, because they are resistant to drought, we will still have something that we can depend on.
Through targeted training programs and informative voiceovers, farmers are gaining the knowledge and skills to adopt climate-resilient farming practices, such as crop diversification, regenerative agriculture, and seed saving. By combining traditional knowledge with modern technology, the Indigenous Crops for Resilient African Food Systems Project is empowering farmers to adapt to the changing climate and build resilient food systems.
From generation to generation, from generation to generation. And that is exactly what we want, so that we do not have these indigenous crops going off like that.
Okay. We will have to see this thing as an economic venture, something that will help the community to grow.
As part of Farmerline's Mission 13 initiative to help build farmers' resilience against climate change, the Indigenous Crops for Resilient African Food Systems Project is a significant step towards a sustainable and a prosperous future for Ghana's agricultural sector. Together, we can cultivate a more resilient and sustainable future. Join us in supporting sustainable agriculture and food security.
Farmerline, make more.